Last week, I got to discover that it's not like Instagram adverts stopped working totally. In fact, a lot of people are still running Instagram ads and cashing out cool money. But boosting posts directly from Instagram stopped working for some time. I am a fan of boost posts. I have always boost posts almost all my life. In past times, I've tried Instagram ads through Ads Manager and Business Suits. It didn't really give me the results. Then one day I said, let me try and boost posts. I did it and it worked. And since then, I can never turn back. Oh, I never turned back. But sometimes in March, the boost post stopped working. People were complaining that, oh, my Instagram ad is not working, it's not working. For someone like me, I ran to TikTok. I got to discover how to run TikTok advert that works. In fact, I have a detailed pre-recorded course where you can learn how to run TikTok adverts that convert into sales every time. But because Instagram advert is my first love, for some reasons, I'm still wandering and tied to Instagram ads, and I asked myself, this platform has helped me crush my sales goal from time to time. So what went wrong? Why did it stop working? Because in March, 2 weeks straight, I was running adverts, not one new request from the advert. It had never happened before then. I run Instagram adverts and I sell daily. So I went into my FBI mode. I have a couple of business owner, not friends, acquaintances, that I know maybe from one group or the other that would belong to. I took it upon myself to start asking all of them questions. What's up? How do you run advert on Instagram? Do you do Facebook advert? What platform do you run it? Is it Business Suite? Is it Ad Manager? And I discovered something. People that their adverts are still working run adverts either on Ad Manager or from Business Suite. Boosting posts, trash it. So because I was curious, I asked a couple of people. I joined all the information that I have gotten together. Apart from that, I was watching videos on YouTube, on Instagram. In fact, any video about to run Instagram ads, how to run Facebook ads, how is Instagram ads working now, you see me there. Definitely. So I've been in that FBI mode for weeks, and I launched my first advert on Business Suite. Let me be sure this thing is recording. Since they said Business Suite and Ad Manager is the best thing after sliced bread, I decided to try my own advert from Business Suite. I came up with the content, posted it, off we go. I closed eye to recharge my hard account because I've not done that in a couple of weeks, in fact for a long time. And surprisingly, one of the challenges I was having with boosting posts was that when I boost posts, I put budget of 5,000 naira. By the time I'm checking my ad history, Instagram is charging me 8,000 naira. That's like putting $5 budget, you are being charged $8. I'm like, from where to where? Why are you charging me almost double? At times it could be up to double. Let me know if you experienced that while boosting posts on Instagram. You put a budget and they'll charge you up to 50% higher than the budget, right? It was not giving as much following as it used to give. The messaging was not as it used to give, and they are charging me ×2, and they even want to choke my neck. Right? So first day I put 2,000 naira because this time I'm doing a lot of trials and errors. So I didn't want to put a lot of budget. So I did one advert, put 2,000 naira. That same day, one of our old clients saw the advert, placed an order for a watch. In fact, I started running that advert not up to 1 hour, and she sent a DM, right? 2 days after, too, the same thing, and we've been getting people following us from that advert. I'm like, okay, seems this is good. I set up another one with a different strategy. That one did not give me as much result that I want, so I switched it off before starting this video. Even for a particular day where I was running 2 adverts with 2,000 naira budget each, that's 4,000. The total I paid, when they would send you daily review, like daily report of how much you spent yesterday. Yeah, when I got that, I spent 3,800 something for a budget of 4,000. That means they are charging me even below how much I put in. That is the kind of Instagram and Facebook advert I am used to. Not put $5 budget, then I get charged for $10, even when the result is not as promising. So before you all say I betray you, I did not betray you. I'm back to running Instagram adverts. So I'm still at that point where I'm making a lot of researches, doing this, doing that, watching videos, implementing them. I've paid for a couple courses. I don't mind paying actually. When I put out I was doing my TikTok course and it was paid, and someone was like, must everything be paid for? I'm like, do you have an idea of how many things I have paid for when it comes to growing my business, and I'll still come here and teach you for free? Well, that one thing you cannot pay for. If you have been finding this video helpful so far, please like, drop a comment and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Has Instagram adverts been working for you? Forget about the experience I've shared here in previous times. The boost post, has it been working for you? Have you tried business suits ads manager? What's the difference in the result for you? I'm trying different strategies actually for this. When I get what works, it's going to be paid. Some might be free, but if you are ready for your business, it's going to be paid. For people that has paid for any of my services before, will be getting a discount. That's the only people I'm giving a discount this time. If you bought TikTok course, just do like this. I have a detailed TikTok course. Everything you need to know about TikTok, from the payment till content, till everything that would help your advert convert. How to turn off your advert, how to check analytics so that you can know your winning ads and switch off the less winning one. So this is the point where we test different content, different ad goals, different objective, and right now I feel like I'm just learning something new. I can't believe that I have run with boost post for like 4 years and it has actually worked for me. Boosting post works. Like in fact, most times when I run adverts for boost post, I'm running the advert. One of the adverts can be bringing 3 sales, 4 sales in a day. Just boost posts. And at times I do 2 adverts. I do more. So boost post had worked for me well in past times before it stopped working, and I have learned in life that if something is not working, you ask questions from people that it is working for. I think that's curious. This is just an update because I know I came here to run the Instagram ads is not working, I'm not running ads again, blah 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 blah. So you all do not see my advert on the street of Instagram and you say, though you too lie. No, I didn't lie. The times I said I was not running advert, I was genuinely not running them. Now that I am trying to consider it again, I thought it is nice to update my people and let them know. However, the last how to run Instagram adverts content I did, I think November last year, still has up to like 150 views in every 48 hours. So people still come to my DM on Instagram. Oh, can you help me with Instagram ads? Oh, if I want to do this, oh, can I pay for your service? And because I'm a child of God, I've not collected any dime from people. When Instagram ads were working, people would come to me, can you do this? I charged them, but I was certain it was going to work. Since it stopped working since March, when people want to pay me, I decline. I tell some people to pay for my TikTok ad. Some pays and some say they are not interested, fine, but I'm a Christian, I have integrity, my peace of mind is important. How much is 15k, 25k? Forget all those. God is the one that bless and adds no sorrow. Right, so when I see people coming to ask, I feel like, and I'm not even running the advert at the moment, I kind of feel helpless at times. I can't help them. These were the kind of people that actually also pushed me to say, okay, let's check out Instagram ads. That was how research and everything started. Also, I have this detailed tutorial on how to run TikTok adverts that convert into sale. However, I did a free tutorial here that consists of some things that will still help you with your TikTok advert if you are not ready to commit into a paid class or you want to try things on your own. Click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. I love you so much. Bye.